Okay guys, here we go. So in Chrome, the left side, I'm going to log in as a firm user, a normal firm user, and in the right side I'm going to log in as a client user. Okay, so here we are in the firm area. We have a new tab in our vertical bar. I name it users input, but we can change the name and the icon. It's empty for now, and we have here in your setup a new tab too, named input template. Here we define the types of template for this firm. I created 3 to show you. One, a simple form with a couple of fields, applicant details, and trademark registration. It is a normal CRUD. It's very similar to case templates, even the same icons, in order to create a similar situation for both features. Okay, so the only difference is that here we have a check. If you check it, those client user or company users can create this type of forms. Here in the other side they have this new tab name form. Again, we can change the name and the icon. If there is at least one template with this property checked, so the client user can see this button create and they can pick it. Check applicant detail is the only one now with that property set to true. Applicant detail is here. Company users can create this type of form. If I uncheck it and I save it, in the other side the create button disappears and company users cannot create input form, user template form. I don't know what is the real name. Okay, so here we have the CRUD for the types of forms, and here we have this new section, user inputs. So here we are going to bind templates with user clients, with company clients, sorry. For example, templates trademark registration on this company. I'm using this because it has 6 users, and user responsible invite 01. Invite 01 is this user, Chapeti plus invite 01 at gmail.com. So with this action I am binding a template, this template, with this company and this user. Users here shows only, check, there are 6 records, so these are the user of this company. If I pick this one, check, note this is clean, and one user just, can you see? So here again there is 6 user. Now we pick this one, and I will add a note. For example, hello, hello Chapeti, please fill this form in order to complete your request. and save. Okay, so we created our first binding between the template and the user. So this user is going to fill this template in his side. We check it. We have the same here, and the status of this user input is waiting to fill. So here the user comes, and here you have the 4 fields defined in the your setup input templates as simple form. 4 or 5, I'm not sure. No, this is trademark registration. Here, these are the 4 files defined. So you have the file name, trademark text, and a little help. We can change it. We can do it with other design. Please enter here the text for your trademark. You can change it here. You can edit it of your trademark with exclamations and save it, and then you will see here the changes. So okay, let's fix trademark text, low panel, date filling, registry, device only. So the status of the form, user input, or whatever you want to name it, now is filled. Here, filled, and you can see it here. Low panel, date of filling, registry, device mark, and info. As a firm user, you can't change the data because it is scope of the company users. So it is only in read-only mode. We can create here another button, download as JSON or download as CSV, open in Word, whatever. But this is the first version. So if we go here and we change the template for trademark registration and we add a new field, for example, I don't know, name of your company, we select the type, or we can say comments, a multi-line text. One important thing here is that we can create whatever type of fields. We can create, for example, a type for user upload a picture, user upload a video, no sé, I don't know, user add, we can create fields related with our entities, for example, firm search or registries, countries, whatever we need we can create. It's very flexible, our system. So I will add multi-line text, send us your comments, and the display order is 5. It's not required, so we add it here, and if we return here and we edit it, we have now a new field here. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with low panel. Hmm? We can create any kind, any type of fields. So if we return here, we see the record status as filled, and we have a new field here, field. Right now it's not working the email because we have a problem with SendGrid because of the Serbian guide test. There are thousands of email waiting, but the notification is working. Okay, the other situation is when your setup, you create or you have a template with this checkbox in true, so company users can now create, because you checked that checkbox, and this is the only template available to create from the company user side. Whatever, I'm sending details in order to finish our whatever. Applicant details, I'm sending details, so he can send now. Yes, of course we have the validation too. If you mark a field as required, you can send the form without it. I send the details in order to finish our relationship. So here, user input, firm, user reside. This. It's very important to remember that we can create any kind of types here. For example, I created only 6 or 5, but very basic, copied from cases, but we can have any kind of field here. We can edit it. We can easily add a new option D, for example. So here in applicant details, option D is now available. So this is the first approach to user template. We can work from here and decide and create whatever we need. Another important thing is this. I created the filters, so you can filter by type as whatever other company, user responsible, notes, date of creation, date of update, and the same here in client side. You can filter by status field or waiting. There is no waiting, no one waiting. Type, notes, date, and update. Okay, this is all. Thank you guys.